Hello everyone, Petalisbless here. Welcome back to my channel. I'm coming on to show you how you can take these items that we have here and turn them into these. So if you want to see how we make these lovely home decor, grab your tea/coffee and you know what time it is. It's time to let's get started. Alright my glamsters, we have these two pumpkins here that I got from the Dollar Tree. Super cute. And I'm just gonna spray paint them with the silver spray paint that I got from Walmart. And next we have this vase here that you can get from Dollar Tree, Walmart, anywhere you choose, Dollarama. And we are going to use this bling chain that I got from BeeBeeCraft. And I will have the link below for BeeBeeCraft so you can check out how to get this chain for yourself. So we are going to use some E6000 and place our chain going around the top part of our vase. If it's your first time on my channel, I'd like to say hello, and I hope you will press that subscribe button and hit the bell also, so you'll be notified every time I upload another DIY to share. Yeah, and give me a like, give me a thumbs up if you like today's video. And like I said, I hope you do click that button so you'll become part of the Glamster team. And now we are going to add some of the 5x5 mirror tiles to our decor. We're just going to be placing them with a little slant, and because it is glass, these mirror tiles, the adhesive that they come with stick very well to glass surface. And you can use extra adhesive if you'd like, any one of your choice, whether it's E6000, something from the Dollar Tree, whatever you choose is perfectly fine. And now we are just going to put some more of our bling chain going around the bottom of our vase now. Now with the E6000, you have to let it get a little tacky. Place it going all the way around and then just keep moving it back into space because it will slide. Yes, it does slide because it's a thicker chain. But just let the glue get more tacky and it stays. You know, just guide it along, fix it, shape it up, make sure it's okay. And then that's it. And now this Tealight holder, we'll be using it for the bottom part of our candle holder. And I'm just going to glam it out with our glam chain. Also, again, E6000 going right around. Okay, so now it's all set. It looks very nice. I'm going to use some of the small 5x5 mirror tiles to go around our tea light holder, the bottom part of our candle holder. And then we're going to take our two pieces and put them together, use some E6000 and just glue them and set them aside to dry overnight. Alright my glamsters, this one is for breast cancer awareness. I'll be using this pink bling that I got from Walmart. They come in all sorts of colors and they're so nice. So we're going to start decorating our vase. The vase part of our candle holder with this. And like I said, this DIY is inspired for Breast Cancer Month, which is this October that we're in. From October 1st to October the 31st is Breast Cancer Awareness Month. So now we're going to use some 10x10 mirror tiles and place it going around the top part of our vase. And now we are going to use our Glam pink chain that I got from BeeBeeCraft to decorate our candle holder. And I like to place a lot of the E6000, so when we go around and around and around with the chain, it's easier, we don't have to stop for a little bit. So I just put a lot of the E6000 going around, and then we start placing our chain. And like I always tell you, you can use any adhesive that you would like for your project. I just like using the E6000. And now we're going to add some more mirrored tiles. And then we're going to add the chain again. And I hope you're getting the pattern. Mirrored tiles, some more chain, mirrored tile, some more chain, going all the way down to the bottom. And I'm going to add another strip of that nice bling pink wrap that I got from Walmart to the top of our candle holder. And the adhesive on these ones are very strong also. And now for the bottom part of this candle holder, I have the small Tealight holder from the Dollar Tree. And we're going to put our nice pink bling wrap from Walmart going around this Tealight holder. And I am going to place 2 strips going around. And now we are going to add our mirrored strip going around this Tealight holder also. And then we're going to place our 2 candle holders together using our E6000 and set overnight to dry. And here are our pumpkins, all painted silver, spray painted, and now they're dry. And we're going to use our Glam pink chain and decorate our pumpkins using some E6000. Going to do strips going up and down our pumpkin. And now we're going to use our little Glam stones and decorate our pumpkin some more. And here is our finished look, everyone. I think they look really nice. I love how they turned out. The 2 candle holders are so nice. And our pink Glam pumpkins, I think they look super cute. Pink and silver. And like I said, the pink is for Breast Cancer Awareness Month. Look how glam this looks with the chain from BeeBeeCraft. This chain here, I think it's absolutely beautiful. The way it dangles down, it's very nice. And remember what I said, October is Breast Cancer Awareness Month. And while many more people are surviving a breast cancer diagnosis than ever before, it is still the most common cancer and the second leading cause of cancer death among women. This October, during Breast Cancer Awareness Month, you can make a difference in the lives of those affected by breast cancer. You can donate to a breast cancer association, you can do a fundraiser, or you can purchase an item from somebody who's selling something towards leading money to breast cancer And I would like you to go online and read more about breast cancer if you don't quite understand. And I also hope you will wear or carry something pink this month to show your support for breast cancer. And here's how it looks at the side table in the living room. I think it looks very nice. A lovely piece of home decor. Nice glam candle holder. And the pumpkins, they look super cute. I love how it turned out. And here is our glam and elegant candle holder. Makes a lovely piece of decor for your home or a gift for a loved one. I love how the chains are just hanging down. Alright, here is our 3 decor that we did today using the items from BeeBeeCraft, and everything will be listed down below in the description box, so you guys can just click on the links, go over and see, and you'll find something nice to do your home decor with from BeeBeeCraft. Alright everyone, like I said, please check out anything about breast cancer this month. Get yourself educated. It can affect anyone, male or female. So leave me a comment down below and tell what you think of today's DIYs. And if you're not subscribed, what are you waiting for? Go ahead and hit that subscribe button. And don't forget to hit the bell so you'll be notified every time I upload another DIY to share. And thank you so much for coming on and seeing today's DIY. And remember, as always, stay blessed from Petalisbless, and I will catch you on the next one. Bye-bye, everyone. I need you.